we have the DevKit from SiMa.ai, the MLSoC Development Kit 2.0. Hello, embedders, friends, and engineers and developers out there in the embedded space. I am Ken Briota, your editorial director for embedded computing design, and you are watching DevKit Weekly. In a very special episode, I am coming to you straight from Embedded World here in Nuremberg, Germany. Embedded World 2025 is bigger and better than ever, and in our brand new Dev Zone here at the Embedded Computing Design booth, we are featuring some of our favorite dev kits from the entire show and the entire industry. And in this next series, I am going to be bringing you some of my favorites. First up, we have the dev kit from SiMa.ai, the MLSoC Development Kit 2.0. This is built for Edge ML developers for quick evaluation, prototyping, and demonstration of Edge ML use cases with an all-inclusive kit that is full of features and fascinating things. So you got to check that out at the link in the description down below. While you're at it, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure you're following us on all the social medias, including LinkedIn. Make sure that you check out our LinkedIn newsletter in case you missed it, Embedded Insights. There's also a companion video series there that you will get every week on Fridays once you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Finally, make sure you're checking out embeddedcomputing.com every day for all the news that you need in the embedded industry. I'm Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief for Embedded Computing Design. This has been DevKit Weekly, and thank you so much for watching.